leaving my husband because I found out that he has been making fun of me behind my back to his ex. Listen, there's no situation where you should be talking to an ex when you are married. I don't care what you say unless you have a child together. That is the only instance where I think it's okay to be in contact like that. My husband, male 45, and I, 36 female, met about 6 years ago. We've been married for 1 year. When we met, I was very fit and athletic. I started gaining weight, however, after suffering 2 miscarriages and the loss of my mother to cancer. I was very depressed and barely got out of bed if not to go to work. I stopped exercising and instead started eating junk food. I gained 40 pounds in 2 years. Under this time, my husband, then fiance, was very supportive and loving. I felt guilty and tried to give him an out several times, but instead he proposed and we got married last summer. Since our marriage, I've been feeling much better and it showed. I have lost around 20 pounds so far and I gained back my muscles and abs. He was so happy to see me feeling better. On his computer, however, it was totally a different story. He was talking almost during our entire relationship to his ex-wife about me. His ex-wife, 46 female, left him about 7 to 8 years ago for her colleague. The relationship didn't work, however, and she tried to get back together with my husband. He had already met me, but they stayed friends, mostly via chat, texting, since she lives 12 hours away. My husband was complaining about everything about me. My job, my depression, my cooking, but mostly my weight. Oh, why would you do that? Like, it's such a stupid move. Out of anyone in the world that you could complain to, you complain to the one person a significant other would never want you to complain to. An ex. Like, is it that hard? Complain to your mom, your dad, your dog, your best friend, your sister, your neighbor, your boss. But you had to go and complain to your ex-wife. Who? Am I wrong for calling out my sister for breastfeeding at my wedding? This is gonna piss me off. My 34 male sister gave birth 2 months ago. She brought the baby to mine and my wife's 23 female wedding. She breastfeeds wherever she goes. We visit her house, she'll breastfeed in front of us. Visiting our parents, she'll breastfeed. Going out in public setting, she'll sit on a bench on the park and breastfeed. Go out to a restaurant, she breastfeeds. Everywhere. I've never spoken on it because I know she'll get mad and offended, but when she did that on my wedding, I lost my cool. Dude, you're 34 years old? You don't understand that she is giving her child life? She is their sole source of nutrients. Is it breastfeeding? Yeah. She's gonna feed at all those places because not only is it a feeding mechanism, it's a soothing. When the baby cries, they find comfort in breastfeeding. She's not gonna just not breastfeed in front of people to be like, oh, I'm in public, I'm not gonna breastfeed. Oh, this dumbass guy is gonna piss me off. During the reception dinner, she just did it again. I kindly approached her and asked her why she didn't bring formula or at least pump milk out and put it in a bottle so she wouldn't have to do all this at that moment. Who are you? Who do you think you are to tell someone what to do with their body and their child? And it's your sister on top of all this. You have the guts to... Oh... You should be defending her from people who are saying this to her, but yet it's her own family. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not getting way sidetracked. She's